You're on.
All right. So, oh, wrong way. What we're gonna do is put this here. Okay, it's a little off, just a tad bit, but you get the point. Now, it's a bit high. It's kind of tall like me, but it works.
How does it?
So the downside is down here, you're off a couple inches,
You
but
would just need a
what
longer curtain.
so what you do is actually get you another curtain and get it where, because I think I measured it. This is like actually 71 inches where it should be. This is actually, I'm sorry, it should be 84 inches long. This is actually 72. So it's a bit off a couple inches. So you do that. You also want to get a plastic shower curtain in the back so you can, preserve this and just wash this and take care of it. So anyway, so this company, I might actually email them and let them know that this is Liberty. And maybe somebody else has come up with this idea, but I thought it was, kind of something that you could do. So if I want to take it all down without removing the door hooks and now the shower curtain hooks, I can take it down, clean it, move it, put it back up.
The bar doesn't fall anymore.
And then we're good. So what we don't have to worry about is the suctions.
Coming off.
We don't have to worry about suction. We don't have to worry about anything. Tell the kids, if it's for kids, don't pull on this too hard. Like I said, this only holds up about maybe 20, about 20 pounds, 15 maybe. So don't pull on it. It's just enough for a curtain and a rod and maybe a second plastic curtain in the back. Yeah, so that's it. So it still looks nice. It matches the light fixture here, which is nickel. So that's nickel. And it just has like a little white tip there. But other than that, got a good fix. Hey, take care. Peace out.